of the sun that sets in the sky, gives way to the moon and lights up the night. The lakes and the river that flows to the sea, they all give you praise continually. And when you made me so nice to find, you had a plan so special on your mind. My heart rejoices for this I know. I was created to worship you. I am so fearfully and wonderfully made, 'cause you are the potter and I am the clay. It could have been silver, it could have been gold, but you chose the dust to cover my soul. So now I lift up these hands of clay to give you the glory and worship your name. My heart rejoices for this I know. I was created to worship you. And so now we lift up these hands of clay to give you the glory and worship your name. And my heart rejoices for this I know. I was created to worship you. Created to worship. I was